from the field and when we visited the schools, the teachers, the students, we can notice the experiential learning of STEM has been a hit. The students love it. It's improved attendance. It's built-in curiosity which has spread across to different subjects. And I think this is the way education should be taught to students in India. Teachers who felt that they were left alone by the government and not supported feel like there is somebody else who's there to support them, guide them, and give them new techniques to deliver the curriculum in a more engaging manner. So it's great. Roundtables are great where we bring a mix of the research, CSR, and the industry experts, because it's rare that all of them come onto a single table and discuss their learnings and their findings and learn from each other. So this is very important, especially in the case where the research that Prayoga is doing has to be taken out and spread into the open and made it mainstream.